exposing the powerhouse in the Mercedes G-Wagon 63D. You need to watch this if you crave performance and luxury. Meet the heart of the beast, the handcrafted AMG 4.0 LV8 biturbo engine with hybrid assist, roaring with 577 GP and 627 lb-ft of torque. Feel the rush as you hit 0-100 kmph in just 4.4 seconds. Slide into the lap of luxury with high-quality Napa leather and active multi-contour seats. Crank up the Burmester-registered trademark 3D surround sound system and let the ambient lighting set the mood. Ready for adventure? The AMG Performance 4 Matic all-wheel drive and 3 lockable differentials make off-roading a breeze. Plus, with advanced safety features, you're covered on any terrain. The Mercedes G-Wagon 63D isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Ready to transform your drive? Buckle up and experience the legend.